In this video, I'll show you how to sign a PDF directly inside Microsoft Edge using its built-in tools. No extra software required. Start by locating your PDF file on your computer. On Windows, you can press Windows plus E to open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. Once you find it, right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. You can also drag the PDF into an open Edge window. When the PDF opens in Edge, look at the toolbar at the top and click the draw icon, which looks like a pencil. This activates the inking tool. You can adjust the pen's color and thickness if needed. A slightly thicker line usually makes signatures clearer, especially if the document will be printed. Zoom in to make signing easier. Increasing the zoom to around 150% or 200% gives you better control. Then move your cursor to the signature area and draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, stylus or touchscreen. If you make a mistake, use the undo option or eraser tool and try again. Once you're satisfied with your signature, click the save icon if you want to overwrite the original file. If you'd rather keep the unsigned version, choose Save As and create a new copy with a name like Signed added to the file name. After saving, reopen the file to confirm your signature appears correctly. That's it. Open the PDF in Microsoft Edge, use the Draw tool to sign and save your changes.